Crypto market crash news today. Welcome to our video about the crypto market crash. It's been a wild ride with multiple events causing a significant drop in prices. Wall Street investors triggered the crash by selling off large amounts of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The market responded to the possibility of data inflation, causing a shift in investor sentiment away from digital assets. Coinbase saw fewer transactions, and crypto prices plummeted, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital asset prices at their lowest levels this year. The FTX Binance scandal added to the chaos, and over $2 trillion in value has been lost in the bloodbath. The stock market remains unaffected. This isn't the first time the crypto market has crashed, and it serves as a reminder of the volatility and risk associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned for more updates on this rapidly changing market. First, Wall Street investors trigger crypto market crash in June 2022. The crypto market had a huge crash in June 2022, when values fell by 66%. Many people think that Wall Street investors, along with other risk factors including inflation, interest rates, and weak earnings, contributed to the disaster. The fall served as a reminder that volatility and corrections are a typical feature of the investing cycle, even though it was exacerbated by the experimental character of the cryptocurrency market. It's crucial for investors to keep in mind that collapses can occur as a result of economic events inciting investor concern as they prepare for increased uncertainty in the future years. Nonetheless, it is essential to maintain composure and knowledge when navigating the intricate world of investing. Second, crypto market responds to possibility of inflation data coming in higher than anticipated. Investors are holding their breath while waiting for the publication of inflation statistics as the cryptocurrency market anticipates it. Stock prices may suffer if the report indicates that inflation is higher than anticipated. The crypto market, however, appears to be prepared for expansion despite this uncertainty. After CPI statistics for July came in lower than anticipated, the market responded by increasing its market valuation by $50 billion. This implies that investors are confident in the potential of cryptocurrencies and are prepared to assume some risk in order to benefit from possible market gains. Regardless of how the data is presented, it is evident that the cryptocurrency market is a major player, and investors would be well to keep an eye on this space. Third, crypto market capitalization drops below $1 trillion. The Bitcoin market is not having a good day today. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies slipped below $1 trillion on Monday afternoon, according to statistics source CoinMarketCap. Since January 2021, the market value has not fallen below $1 trillion. The dip comes after a weekend drop of 5.3% in the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. Tokens and other risky assets are under pressure due to rising borrowing costs. The Bitcoin market has experienced considerable value losses as a result of regulatory concerns. Hope the market can soon stabilize. Fourth, shift in investor sentiment away from cryptocurrencies. Recent factual data indicate that investor sentiment appears to be shifting away from cryptocurrencies. Although cryptocurrency fund inflows have lately increased, there are now signs that investors are growing wary of the sector. Particularly, investor sentiment seems to have a favorable effect on Bitcoin volatility and returns, but this effect is constrained and may not always be present for cryptocurrencies with smaller values. Also, behavioral research reveals a high correlation between changes in investor opinion and price changes for Bitcoin. The preference for cryptocurrencies over stocks appears to be driven, in part, by novice investors. But, worries about liquidity and market collapses can cause investors to be cautious going forward. Fifth, Coinbase sees fewer transactions and crypto prices plummet. Users have reported having trouble withdrawing money from Coinbase, the well-known cryptocurrency exchange, and a decline in transaction volume. In addition, cryptocurrency values have fallen to their lowest points of the year. Investors and traders alike are becoming more concerned as a result of these troubling difficulties, especially in light of recent comments made by Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, who predicted a revenue reduction of at least 50% for the exchange. Notwithstanding these difficulties, it's crucial to maintain composure and steer clear of trading on emotion during these tumultuous times. Investors may be able to weather the storm and hang onto the value in their portfolio over time with the correct tactics in place. Sixth, Bitcoin, Ethereum and digital asset prices at lowest levels this year. Bitcoin and Ethereum have had a difficult year as their prices have fallen to their lowest levels since early February. Investors are analyzing the implications that the recent financial difficulties at Silvergate Capital may represent for the cryptocurrency sector. Although cryptocurrencies have made some significant gains over the past year, both stock and crypto markets are currently experiencing difficulties due to rising prices, central bank rate hikes, and the high chance of a worldwide recession. Even while some contend that a lack of regulation exacerbates the industry's volatility, only time will tell if Bitcoin and Ethereum will be able to recover in the future. Seventh, FTX Binance scandal adds to 2022's awful year for crypto. The cryptocurrency sector has had a difficult year in 2022, and the recent FTX Binance controversy has just made things worse. The episode featured the collapse of FTX, a once valuable cryptocurrency exchange, which was allegedly brought on by fraud by Do Kwon, the exchange's founder. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance, first promised to lend money in by FTX in order to salvage it, but once concerns about FTX's financial situation surfaced, the company opted to sell its shares. More than $1.4 billion was taken out of Binance as a result of the controversy, which generated unfavorable cryptocurrency news headlines. Investors are reminded that regulation is not a panacea for all ills as the business remains volatile despite increased regulatory monitoring. 8. Stock market unaffected by crypto crash. The stock market appears to be mostly unaffected by the recent collapse in the cryptocurrency sector. Factual data show that there is no obvious correlation between the two markets, therefore one can hedge their stock investments by investing in cryptocurrencies without running the risk of a domino effect. The current downturn in the cryptocurrency market is thought to be part of the market's normal cycle of growth and decline. As a result, stock market investors can relax knowing that their portfolios are not necessarily at risk as a result of the crypto crisis. 9th, over $2 trillion in value lost in crypto market bloodbath. The value of the cryptocurrency market has dropped significantly over the past year, losing close to $2 trillion. Because of the quick decline in value, there are worries that the crypto crash could lead to a larger financial system collapse. After peaking at $3 trillion in November 2021, the entire value of cryptocurrencies has now fallen below $1 trillion for the first time. Youth people who invested heavily in cryptocurrencies in the hopes of making quick money may now be feeling the burden of the market's turbulence. Even when the losses are sizable, it's crucial to have a long-term perspective on the market and to weigh the advantages and risks of investing in cryptocurrencies. 10th, crypto crash history, Bitcoin's previous record high in December 2017. With a new record high of $19,497 in December 2017, Bitcoin sparked a frenzy in the cryptocurrency community. At the time, Bitcoin had roughly 20-folded in price growth, making it a popular investment choice. This success, though, was fleeting. The price of Bitcoin fell sharply on December 27, capping a historic year for the cryptocurrency. This month is now infamous as the crypto winter, as Bitcoin's price fell, leaving many investors with huge losses. Bitcoin is still one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies in the world despite its tumultuous past.